So here's my 84 C10 exhaust system. I've got the cam in it, and now I'm going to put the new exhaust on it. Somebody stood these mufflers on end for some reason, and I'm going to pull all this off today, put the new stuff on, and start it up. Okay, I got my first, oh shit, this flange size here doesn't match up with my header collector. So I cut this off thinking that I could slide this over, which came with my header collector, and it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna cut it off right here, slide this over here a little bit, and then weld it up right there and use this piece on here. So do that, see how that turns out. Got my exhaust on, and I had to make some modifications. I don't have the other side welded up yet, it's just clamped up. But it's fairly clean so far. So I'm gonna let it down and start it up. Okay, the exhaust done, cam's in, had it running. I'll start it up and let you guys hear it and see what you think. I'm gonna have to put it up on the lift and put a new starter in it though. Starter's starting to go out on it, so one thing after another, eh? See? Yeah. Come on, baby. I think it sounds pretty good. I like it. Anyway, thanks for checking it out with me. Thanks.